Instead of being a weirdo. Just look at the camera and smile. Army. Next way. We're gonna get eaten up by a lawnmower. You hear what happened to Ken and Squirt? Lawnmower accident. Yeah, they were just minding their own business in the park. And a guy in a lawnmower ran him over. I knew they'd go that way. I told him to stop laying down in the parks. The lawnmower's gonna get you. This guy's doing a terrible job too. I'm gonna go tell him that. As soon as I get somewhere safe. All right, Squirt. We in the safe zone? Squirtunia. Hey, I was paid to come here and mow. I don't care if somebody's laying in the grass. I'm sorry, they're in the way. I'm cutting the grass. Look at that. I was paid to mow. I was paid to mow, man. I can't even do it with Mexican accent. That's how much I hate him right now. Let's go to the shade, huh, Squirt? The sun shines for the birds. There's a leaf blower guy.